Morning guys, well we're at Bingley Hall today, so first show in a very long time. Really looking forward to it. So we're actually in a new Mini Clubman today, so in Brian, a new Mini Clubman recently purchased. There's a video actually out very soon if not already. So yeah, a bit of a parts go-getter, it's quite cool, very fast as well, so we'll do a review on that very soon. Do apologise about the wind, obviously we're outside, but yeah, there's loads of cars, so let's get cracking, let's get stuck into the show. Loads of parts to find as well. I think I found my car of the show. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Absolute credit to the gent. Right, so as you can see, there is not many minis left. Big thanks to British Mini Club again for the great show. I actually didn't buy any mini parts. Rare that. But I did meet up with Keith, Clafton Mini Workshop, had a good chat with him. Yeah, saw Project Bruce, what a car, absolutely great. So that was probably a good highlight of my day. But yeah, so it's time to go home, get cracking in the garage and get working away. I've met so many lovely people today, giving out so many stickers. So you people know who you are that I spoke to. Thank you for giving the time to come speak to me, and thank you for supporting the channel. I can't thank you enough for that. But yeah, this is me signing out. Bit of a short video. I just really enjoyed the day out with my wife and stuff like that, and we're, you know, yeah, we're cracking on with the cars. So catch you next one, guys, when we'll be back in the garage. So see you soon, bye.